Hey guys, it's Emily here. So I have a package from one of my favorite artists. It's the Spook Show Babe Design. Her name is Crystal. Follow her on Instagram and Etsy. She has awesome stuff. So I just got this in the mail today, and sorry I look crazy. Like I need to take a shower. I need to get ready for work, and I'm in my pajamas still. So yeah, I wish I got this yesterday because I was all dressed up in my Sally outfit. But yeah, make sure you check my Instagram account in our town of Halloween to see all the photos that I post of me and stuff like that. So yeah, and sorry it's not Halloweenish in the background. All my Halloween stuff is like kind of on this wall, so you can't really see it. You can see part of my Halloween stuff starting here, but yeah. So I'm gonna open this up. So what I ordered is a Jack. He's like coming out of pumpkin. I have another one from her before. It's like a baby Jack one. It's super cute. So I'm super excited, and I'm gonna put it on my top shelf with all my Night for Christmas stuff that I have, and with the baby Jack, and then also this Jack teapot that I made myself. So I'm gonna put it next to that stuff. But yeah, I really wanted to get this. Yesterday, I just ordered something else from her as well. She has this black cat named Salem, and it's so cute and has a witch hat. And I cannot wait to get that in the mail. I just ordered that yesterday. So, but yeah, let's open this package up. See what I got. Oh, this is so cute. So, the first thing I see is a little goodie bag. This is so cute that she did this. So let's open this up. So I have a spooky Halloween pencil here. Super cute. And then I got oh, stickles. It says it's 8 stickles in there. And then I got these spooky erasers. One's a pumpkin. The other one is a like tombstone, says trick or treat. Here comes my lovely black cat, Midnight. Come here, Midnight. They like to interrupt me. And here's a blue pumpkin. This is so cute because my favorite color is blue. And then this one's just a skull. And then these are little treats to eat. So yep, let me open the stickers up because I kind of want to see them. So they're just little stickers. Oh, and they look like that. Really cute. That's really cute that she added that with that. I really like that idea that she did to add that. Just adds something else spooky to your day. Really, really cute. So this is what it looks like from the packaging. It's so cute. She wrapped it in orange, and it has a like fake fake leaf. I don't know, I was gonna say flower here, and I think that is so cute. So I'm actually I was gonna take a picture of it, but I can't take a picture of it because I'm filming. But I'm gonna take a screenshot here, so please ignore me because I'm gonna take a screenshot since I can't. So yeah, that's so cute. So what I got inside is I got a pin. I have like tons of these I got, but she sent a free pin, which is really cute. And then the little leaf. And then this just says like thank you for ordering one of her pieces. So now I'm gonna open this up. I love the wrapping paper that she does that comes with it. Like I keep all the wrapping paper. There's one that she did for Easter that I ordered, and it was like tie-dye, and I freaking loved it. So let's see what he looks like. Aw, isn't he cute? Aw, he's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. And it says her name and the date on the back. Really cute. He is adorable. Just a little Jack in the Pumpkin. So cute. And then this like jack-o'-lantern face is like the dough when you first walked in. And it just has like a spider web background to the bottom of it. But yeah, he's really cute. So that's the back of him. But yeah, he's really adorable. I really, really love him. So cute. I can't wait to get my Salem cat soon. I haven't Odo stuff from her for a while now because I've been having money issues and stuff and trying to save up. So I've been like really trying to hold back not to like to get so much stuff, but I really, really wanted him, and she had like free shipping that day, so I'm like, this is the time to get him. And then yesterday she restocked the Salem cats because she'd been selling out of them like a lot. So I'm like, this is my chance to get to get it, and also so I can have it like before Halloween too, which would be really cute. So yeah, I'm super excited to get the Salem cat. I'll do a video of that then. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that like he's so cute and I can't wait to put him on my shelf. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.